Hello guys, welcome to Hashitha Keerthi YouTube channel. In this video series, you are going to learn about SQL Server from scratch. Well, let's start the tutorial. Microsoft SQL Server is relational database management system that support a wide variety of applications in corporate IT environment. And so, SQL Server is built on top of SQL. Simply, it's a query language that database administrator and IT professionals use to manage and search database. Within SQL Server, Microsoft includes a variety of data management and business intelligence analytics tools like R services, machine learning services, and SQL Server Analytics services. Microsoft offers different editions of SQL Server to fit different organization sizes and business needs. Its primary edition include a pre-pull feature developer edition for database to development and testing, a pre-express edition for small databases with 10 GB of storage capacity, and also it has a standard edition with limited feature and limited to the number of configurable processor cores and memory sizes. Early versions of SQL Server are targeted at departmental and workgroup application. More recent versions are enterprise grade and mean to rival other platforms for the high-end database users.